Welcome to the NCC, the Nigeria Communication Commission 2021 Annual ICT Innovation Competition and Exhibition. It's a research work to be presented. Is cloud-based Internet of Things electronic healthcare data warehouse integration in emerging digital ecosystem in Nigeria. This is the research work we are applying to exhibit in the NCC 2021 Annual ICT Innovation. The research work was carried out by Ugochukwu O. Matthew and engineer Dr. Jazuli S. Kazauri. We are applying under U&J Digital Consult Limited with the company registration number 1692126. We go to abstracts. In this research, the authors concentrated on the digital economy evolution with particular emphasis on the electronic healthcare design for the southeastern geopolitical zone of Nigeria in a politically restructured federation. The research was inspired to provide a high-level technology computing framework for the Southeastern Nigeria Development Plan to capture the healthcare data flow, which is very necessary for policy formulation and implementation plan. The paper provided a detailed discussion on how clinical data warehousing in combination with data mining techniques can improve various aspects of healthcare sector and health informatics, and highlight the number of critical issues in the implementation of its healthcare delivery in the region. The enterprise data warehousing is the scientific method of integrating several database technologies through designing a high computing system in which data were aggregated from multiple heterogeneous data sources. A functional data warehouse is constructed by incorporating multiple heterogeneous database sources that support analytical reporting, structured and ad hoc queries to enable decision making from data that has been cleansed, transformed, integrated, and consolidated. Data warehouse provides generalized and consolidated multi-dimensional data view required for data classification and sequential clustering, focusing on the southeastern Nigeria health grid ecosystem as a system of infrastructure committed to the management of e-healthcare resources that incorporated various grid components and healthcare mechanisms with consistent coordination to facilitate provisions of citizen e-healthcare services. The research modeled the e-healthcare environment in which medical information are stored and made readily accessible to distinctive participants in the e-healthcare system supply chains that concentrated on distribution of medical information required for healthcare analysis across the biomedical spectrum, from public health to patient care, through the development of cloud enterprise data warehouse. They will look at the keywords. In this research, we have look at the digital economy, look at the healthcare data mining, look at information communication technology, cloud server system, Internet of Things business model, e-healthcare data warehouse, health informatics, clinical database, and health grid ecosystem. Now we go to introduction. Look at exactly what is done here. You see the diagram of what was done. You see from here, you have patient records. Look at the regional hospital, the insurance company, medical record clearinghouse, secure international access. Look at the medical information in standardized, encrypted, and available in the cloud. That's exactly what was built. Introduction. In above approach, data were obtained from numerous heterogeneous data sources, transformed, cleansed, and processed into an applicable data repository for implementation across the healthcare organizational setting. The current paper constructed an enterprise cloud data warehouse for e-healthcare organization and connected the medical and the clinical workforces through the enterprise e-healthcare data warehouse and allow the medical solutions and clinical information of all the patients to be stored. That's exactly what we did. From the diagram, this is the patient record, regional hospital, that's the clinical records, the billing records, the medical records clearinghouse, the medical record clearinghouse, and the secured international access connected through the cloud infrastructure. The proposed system is expected to improve the e-healthcare information management by providing a model to support medical software automation, hardware system integrations, and enhances the control and the management of patient records. As Nigeria implements digital economy across sectors through database integration, this current paper visualized, analyzed, and reported data responsibly as they are demanded for data operation schema and tables and modeled within the healthcare business ecosystem for sustainable digital economy development. Statement of problem. What actually inspired this development? The current research implemented a top-level business decision rule for an enterprise data warehouse for an e-healthcare system in Nigeria in pursuant to the Global Digital Economy Projection 2030 and implementation of the African Union Development Agenda 2063 and also for the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals on e-healthcare. The electronic healthcare system is a form of healthcare delivery and maintenance approach that utilizes computer system and cloud computing technologies as its central foundation of operations for storing and sharing patients' medical data between healthcare service providers and the stakeholders that necessitated electronic ecosystem manageability in the digital economy for a sustainable Nigeria. This is the statement of problem. We actually want to develop an e-healthcare infrastructure that will enable patients' records to be accessed digitally in pursuant to the global digital economy and the African Union Developmental Agenda 2063. That is actually what we have done here, a kind of ecosystem that is built on digital platform to enable healthcare system management. Now, we go to aims and objectives of the study. Aims and objectives of the study. 1. To propose an e-healthcare system hardware resources utilization within high security protection required for digital healthcare synchronization. To propose methodology for utilization of wireless body area network to connect and monitor patients within the e-healthcare design in the digital ecosystem. To reconcile different views of the same data within the data extractable tables and views for project implementation and business decisions. To provide a consolidated picture of an enterprise database for an electronic healthcare organization. To accommodate new data and new requirements within the data warehouse central storage for future business process, which demand practical expansion of the logical data model. To perfect the requirements for data integration and data administration supposed to generate or obtain the logical data model from all other systems and merge them into a high-level enterprise model for a complete data federation. To design and interpret the technical architectures upon which data will federate, with particular emphasis to the application layers, data access tools, and database structure. To effect data communication and synchronization policy via physical file attribute and database management system (DBMS) or middleware on the organization electronic health care system. To create a virtual data environment upon which every meaningful development can flow. This implies setting the point of entry, query, and reporting tools and transparency to the users. to justify query integration and results harmonization or data reconciliation in order to achieve the long-term business objectives for the healthcare organization. Now look at the research methodology. The current research provided a descriptive cross-sectional study using structured questionnaire to assess healthcare workers' perspective on e-healthcare Internet of Things Cloud Enterprise Data Warehouse System implementation. This research was conceived on the demand to model an enterprise cloud data warehouse system for healthcare organizations as major components of the business intelligence information for the e-healthcare service provision and innovative digital solution. This is the methodology that we are used. We synchronized several medical databases. This is a lab report, government hospital, health research institute data, and other heterogeneous data sources. Then being loaded, and when it is loaded, it must be there will be a data cleansing to reduce noise. Then transformation, standardization, then temporary storage, then to metadata. Then we have summarized information, data cubes, and data information. So the plan is to have a national data warehouse, national health data warehouse. So we divided it in a bit as per geographical distribution of geopolitical zones. So the purpose, the essence of this research is to have a national health data warehouse that is synchronizing all the healthcare providers in Nigeria, just like a national health insurance scheme. So all the hospital, all the healthcare that are registered under the national health insurance scheme will be synchronized, so that all of them, any patient treated in any of the hospital, will have the information synchronized into the national health data warehouse. So that's actually what we did. So from here, this diagram, this methodology here we apply, having this diagram. So here you have the query manager, you have a data mining application, then you have the OLAP, online application protocol here, then you have data mining. So from here, when this database have been synchronized and integrated, actually the OLAP operation can be done. Then you see that data mining. So data mining operation can actually be carried out from the national health data warehouse. So any patient that has information in any of the hospital being synchronized, being connected to this data warehouse, the information can be called up anywhere in the world. So it enables a process of speedy healthcare treatment and a continuation of health management of citizens. That is actually what we conceive in this research work. So this is the methodology we use, finding a way to connect all the hospitals in Nigeria, in the southeast to start with. So after the southeast, then other regions will also be synchronized. Then until we have a national data warehouse that will connect all the approved healthcare in Nigeria. Then going to conclusion and recommendation. Conclusion and recommendation. The current research demonstrated major transformation caused by digital economy, and especially the growing reliance on digital data in healthcare sector. The development of a centralized national health data warehouse for healthcare data mining operation will enable communication in various hospitals, departments, and diagnostic laboratories to synchronize activities relating to citizens' health management. When data needed for informed medical decisions are trapped within the fragmented heterogeneous clinical and administrative database system, actions are required to extract, load, and transform information to enable activities that promote diagnosis and treatment optimization to improve patient care. The effective healthcare management, data management operation will require constructing an enterprise cloud data warehouse system to synchronize with every input device, which will permit data sharing arrangement and clinical decision-making process. So that is actually what is done. Then that is the end of the presentation. But meanwhile, look at the topic we have through the arrangement of the work, So we have actually made our point very clear in this exhibition. So look at the work, look at the research we are putting forward to present on the exhibition day at the NCC 2021 Annual ICT Innovation Competition and Exhibition. The research work to be presented, to be exhibited, to be discussed on that day is cloud-based Internet of Things, electronic healthcare data warehouse integration in emerging digital ecosystem in Nigeria by Ugochukwu Matthew Okudili and the engineer Dr. Jazuli S. Kazauri under U&J Digital Consults Limited. Thank you for listening.